Very good morning, dear students. In the grouting and methods, in the last video, we had discussed about grouted rock boards, grouted cable boards. Now, the friction anchor rock boards and the mechanically anchored rock boards. The mechanically anchored rock boards you can see on the screen. This will be used for to control uh, for the grouting and to control the sliding or collapsing the side walls. The rock dowels. This is a passive type of rock and reinforcement which requires a ground displacement for its activation. When the discontinuities in the rock mass are subjected to displacement, the dowel experiences both shear and tensile stresses. Rock anchors. This method is of rock reinforcement makes use of compressive or uplift force in order to stabilize any structure or rock mass present in the ground or underground. These are high tensile strength bars. These are pre-tensioned by anchoring at the end of the borehole. Rock anchors can be either untensioned anchors or tensioned anchors. An untensioned anchor is a passive type rock reinforcement which develops a tension with the deformations. The support increases with the increase in development. A tensioned anchor is an active type which supports completely and immediately after installation. Failure of the rock mass due to shear is resisted by rock anchors. Application of rock reinforcement. Rock reinforcement provides safety and temporary supported for many underground construction works. The applications of rock reinforcement are mentioned below. These applications of rock reinforcement are: it is used to preload the foundation. It can be used to provide a reaction during the pile load test. Third one,